Hi everyone, I'm Wang, and let's talk about childcare services and women in radiology. So let's start with some numbers. 40% of US medical students are female, yet only 34% of US physicians are women. The numbers get worse as we go higher up in rank, with only 18% of hospital CEOs, 16% of department chairs and deans are female. 10% of senior authors and 7% of editors-in-chief are women. Why do females not achieve advancement and promotion to leadership positions at the same rate as their male peers? Why do females find it more challenging finding sponsors and mentors? What is wrong with our current existing pipeline? This all came about when I was talking to another mother radiologist who asked me, how do I participate fully at the radiology meetings I go to even though I bring my baby? I answered her as a matter of fact, well, my husband always comes and he looks after the baby. Then it dawned on me, most mother radiologists do not have this luxury. That's why they often opt for virtual meetings and are more cautious accepting lecture invites and submitting abstracts due to possible childcare issues. But this is not their fault. They have no one to leave their child or children with for that 1-hour lecture, that 30 minutes meet up with a mentor, let alone spend a day or night trying to network with others. Motherhood penalty is a term that argues that working mothers experience systematic disadvantages in pay, perceived competence, and benefits relative to single women. An example of this will be not asking a mother radiologist to take on a leadership position due to assumptions that she will not have the time because she's too busy with a child or children. The lack of accessible and affordable childcare services further adds to this existing often unconscious bias. The problem is motherhood penalty is alive and well in 2019. A study done last year showed that 69% of working American mothers are passed up for a new job. 60% found that job opportunities are given to those who are less qualified. And 72% of working mothers and fathers agree that women are penalized in their careers for starting a family. Having young children often coincides with the early start of a mother radiologist's career, and it is especially important as a specialty to support and encourage these young women, because this is a beginning of the trajectory of their radiology careers and will set the tone of who they are as radiologists, not just to others, but also to themselves. Sometimes all that's needed to lift women up is to stop pulling them down. I would like to encourage a conversation to move away from gender equality to gender equity. In gender equality, everyone has the same rights, but same opportunities do not result in same outcomes for males and females. Gender equity takes equality further and recognizes the different needs and constraints of the different genders. Only when we actively remove the confounding roadblocks within our pipeline can we achieve true equity. Being a good mother and being a good radiologist should not be mutually exclusive. Having childcare services at radiology meetings is something that is relevant, important, and highly actionable. I was very excited to learn about Camp RSNA, which is an on-site childcare service that caters to children between the ages of 6 months old to 12 years old. I would also like to ask our hospitals and institutions to provide accessible and affordable childcare service, preferably on-site, which caters to the long and very unpredictable physician hours, without the exuberant late pickup fees. I would like to ask all of you with influence and power to help change this, to please aid and stand with us. Only with changes in culture, structure, and mindset can we be truly inclusive of our radiology parents and mothers. So, let's not just see the possibilities together, but together put into action these possibilities to build a better future for radiology. Thank you.